Welcome, I'm Sean Calica, part of the sales team here at Caravans. I just wanted to give you a quick video walk around tour of the Swift Alpine 2 2022, so please sit down and enjoy. The Sprite Alpine 2, so it's a two-berth caravan, single axle. Now in the front locker is where we do house in terms of the step, your electric cable, your water pump, steady winder for the legs and wheel braces, and there's also as well space for two gas bottles to be able to fit into. When towing and connecting, so again, if you've not towed or you've gone before, we would go through that prior to collection, but it has your Alco heads as well, just to be able to go through. But any questions, we're always happy to explain. See the side decals, absolutely beautiful, again with the gold tint, bronze. You've got your main battery section, you've got your water intake, and then also as well your toilet waste outside there. Continuing around on the habitation door side, it's the awning rail running all the way across the caravan, and to the rear obviously with the LED lights. Also has the fitments if you wanted to look at getting a bike rack fitted as well. So we'll move on to the interior for you. As we step into the caravan, so straight opposite you will see obviously the kitchen and your corner unit, just obviously as we go straight into the bathroom. But again, just stepping in to the right hand side there, you've got your smoke and your carbon monoxide. Nice little shelf just on the side. You've also got fly screen on your door. The main control panel, now again for 2022 it does come with a standard radio, and then you've got Truma blown air, so the main control panel for the blown air system. Again, overhead lockers, so just to the, as you're looking in, so again with a non-gloss, but I just want to let you see that front layout just quickly there. It's absolutely beautiful. As we walk in just straight to the left, we've got a nice little section here. So again, the underdrawers, cupboards, your TV aerial. Again, just there with regards to the seating. So again, your under cupboards there and under compartments. Curtains. Just finishes off really nice. Your fly screens, and then also as well your main blinds. You've got your main panoramic, your front area to your binnacle, one electric socket and USBs, again just for storage as well. Moving just on with the blind itself to drop down, and then over to the overhead, your speakers. Just in reference, obviously, cupboards wise, it's where your stereo would be housed. And again, plenty of storage there. Up above, so we've then got, open up a little bit of air, very easy to control, and also to close. Your fly screen. And also obviously to at night time. So on your main kitchen area, so again just above, obviously you've got your microwave and your two cupboards. You've also got your sockets just below. Nice little bit of storage area, just again on the side of the main worktop as well. From a storage point just up above, you've then got one nice open cupboard, and then obviously for your glasses and your plates. And then moving down to the Thetford oven, you've got 3 gas, 1 grill and 1 main oven. Nice little bit of storage again underneath. Underneath the sink, you've then got your salad and your cutlery drawer. And then on the fridge, we can just pull this across. Two shelves with the freezer compartment, two salad trays, and two in the drawer. Moving to the bathroom. So again, as we walk in, you've got your Thetford toilet to the left, the ring, and then obviously the main cupboard. So again, just in the cupboard there is where we do house the carpets, and then obviously your mats as you walk in, your aerial, and then also your clothes rail. Your sink area, again just underneath. So from a storage point of view, and then with the shower, again just to be able to undo and slide across. And just in the side on there. It's all finished on nice large mirror as well. Just to the side, you've then got your table, so your main dining table, and then your coat hangers. So just one final look at the living area. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, hope you've enjoyed the video. If you've got any further questions, please contact a member of the sales team on 01476 560 599, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.